This is a bass boat that came in that had some electrical issues, and we just basically had to start from ground zero. So we started at the front of the boat. This was a bird's nest up here. Wires have been spliced, and the only thing that's up on the front of the boat are actually the docking lights and the bow light. This right here is for the trim up and down, and this right here is for the aerator. So you can turn your aerator, and then you've got the two wires going to your trolling motor. So we've already sorted this out, nice and simple, color coded the way it's supposed to be. And here are the wires that we pull from the front. They're all labeled and easy. And what we're going to do is put it on a fuse panel. So you'll have one hot wire coming to the fuse panel, one ground coming from the fuse panel, and then use each of those ATO fuses to fuse what needs to be run, instead of just what it is. So we'll have a hot wire going to the power on. It'll jump off the power on to your nav, your bilge, and your aerator. And that's simple. So you'll have one wire going forward, or excuse me, for the nav lights, you'll have one wire going forward to the bow light. For the anchor lights, you'll have one wire going so the back light is on. Bilge pump, just one hot wire going to the bilge pump. Aerator, one hot wire going to the aerator. Here's where it gets a little dicey. Haven't done anything back here, but these are all the wires that are back here, and it's been worked a number of different times, and people have